In this video, I will demonstrate on how to fix a microwave oven if it's not heating up. In this case, the fuse is not working, so I will be replacing the fuse in this video. Disassembling the top layer. Now let's see on the inside. This is the fuse. It does not work, so remove it and replace it with a new one. This is the new fuse. Fix it into the microwave oven. After replacing the fuse, the microwave works perfectly fine. Now reassembling, screwing the bar back together. To show that it works, I will place a glass of water inside the oven and heat it up. And as you can see, the water is warm. Thank you for watching.